created RAML, right? Okay,
Yeah.
great. So that is design, just dummy blueprint of our API. Okay. So now let me open this. Can you see here we created API, and if you give some input, if you test it, what happened? Let me refresh this.
Hello.
Okay. I logged in. So once we create API, we have to test it. See, we got 200 success. Okay. So once we create a API, what is the next step?
Publish.
Publish.
Let's say,
Check in, mark, and publish.
so what we need to do? We designed API, right? To
Yes.
whom we designed this API? For client, right? So what we need to do? We have to share, this API to the client. Okay. So if you want to provide some temporary URL to the client or customers, what you need to do? We have to mock this service. Okay. Mocking is nothing but it is a temporary URL to the client applications. Can you see there is a setting symbol? This we can call it as mocking service configuration. Okay, just click on this and make public. So the moment you turn on this button, you will get one link. See, you got one public link. Just copy this public link and we need to share to someone. How they are going to test? For testing, we have to use Postman.
Postman.
So let me use this and then paste it. Okay, next. What is our resource path?
Addition.
Addition. Very good. Let me go there. So you just copy this resource path and go here, paste it. Okay.
Yes.
Now how we are passing request?
Parameters.
Huh?
Through body.
Query parameter.
Query
Very
parameter.
good. So params will be there, right? Here we need to pass for a parameter.
Numbers.
Number one,
Yeah.
some value. Okay. Number two, some value. So if you click on send, so you are getting addition is 8. But how much we supposed to get? 3 plus 4, 7. But we got 8, right?
Yes.
So this is not good approach. That means as a design, it is okay. Now we'll start development. So in the development, what we will do?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
You are given the mock ID and you are given the edition resource partner.
Yes.
That you have to take in that from get method, from get method to link na edition also. You are not right to number one, number two, not like that. Direct you have to take in that from that also na. There also na.
No, it is not there, right?
Yesterday I tried, sir. It will come, sir.
What?
From here copy is there now. It is mock ID. Sir, today evening I shared the total screenshot, sir, through WhatsApp. You have to see it, sir.
Now what you are saying, I'm not able to understand.
సార్ ఇక్కడ మాక్ ఐడి నుంచి నేను తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ సమ్ మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ గెట్ మెథడ్ లింక్ వస్తుంది కదా సార్ మనకి సర్వీసెస్ లో రండి సార్ మామూలు మాక్ సర్వీసెస్
See, that is complication. Okay, simply what you can do, mock this service. You will get this link. Okay.
నేను అలా కూడా ట్రై చేశాను వచ్చిందని చెప్తున్నాను సార్.
Multiple ways will be there, but I will make you very easy to do these things. Okay.
Okay, right, sir.
So you can take one more URL in that you can edit, you can paste this. So many.
Yes,
You get confused. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't want to make confuse. Okay.
Okay, right, sir.
So here we pasted, we got this output, right?
Oh, yeah.
Next. Here, this is our actual design. Okay.
Yes.
Now we need to start our development. So before moving to development, we need to take approval, okay, from your manager or someone. So we shared this design, right? This guy tested, it is working fine. Okay. So instead of message, he told me that I need to write result. So he gave some change. Okay. That change I need to implement it. Okay. Here I write.
And then if you change it, the version will gonna change as well, V2?
That small changes we can change it. Okay.
Oh.
But still we didn't publish, right?
Yeah.
So we can keep same version.
Oh, okay.
Now just save it. So it is saving now. Now if you go there and test it, it will change. So you got result. Addition is 8. Okay.
Doubt, sir. Compulsory we should write number 1 and number 2 the key.
Whatever you are writing here, if you are writing your name here, whatever you are writing, same you have to provide.
Okay. Other than that, it will not accept.
It will throw error. See, instead of number 1, you write like this. If you are sending this, see, required parameter number 1 is missing. What we wrote? 144.
And we should only use get.
Sorry?
And we should only use get.
Whatever the method which we use here, same method we have to use.
Yes, sir. Get
method.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you use different method, you will get 405. See, method not found. 405. Okay.
Sir.
Same method we have to use it.
Okay. Otherwise,
Send it, you will get it. Okay. Now, so client or your manager, someone tested, it is working fine. Now, what is the next step? We have to start our development. So before starting our development, we need to publish our API. Can you see there is a publish option? Publish to Exchange. So here, can you see asset version 1.0.0? Okay. This version, we can call it as semantic version. Okay. Semantic version is nothing but major version, minor version, and then patch. Okay. Major, minor, and then patch. You can see here semantic version. You just click on it. So semantic version 2.0.0. Major, minor, patch. Patch means if you have any bugs, okay, in your API, you can change this version. Okay. If you want to change some functionality, okay, for that purpose, you can use this. Okay. If you want to change, complete API changes, you can go with this major version. Okay. So here by default, we have 1.0.0, major version, minor version, then patch. Okay. This always we need to write XYZ format. Okay. Now if I remove this, it will become XY format. Okay. When I'm trying to publish here, it will throw error. See? Invalid version 1.0. Expecting XYZ format, but I provided XY only, right? So keep it as it is and click on publish. So why we need to publish our API to Exchange? If you publish our API to Exchange, other developers, managers, business analysts, they can see our API specification. Let me open this Exchange. See, we can test our API here as well. See, get method. So you can pass some value, send it. See, we'll get the output. Okay. Okay, this is done. We published our API to Exchange. Now what we need to do? We have to start our development. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll go to this Anypoint Studio. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new project. What is our project name?
Calculator.
Calculation.
So calculator. You just provide a project name. And can you see, we create a RAML in the design center, right?
Yes, download RAML center.
So download RAML from the design center. Click on this. So the moment you click on this, it will ask you Anypoint platform credentials. Already I logged in, so that's why it is not asking. See, this is the different username password. 24th batch, right? Ours is 25th. What I'll do, I'll click on add account. For you directly, it will open this window. So what happened? Okay. See, we got our project name. Select this. Click on OK. It may take some little time. Click on finish. It got created a scaffold. See, can you see automatically I got some flows here?
Yes, sir.
Did I drag and drop any flow? No, right? So once, the moment you import RAML from the design center, automatically you will get these flows. Okay. What was the message is there here? Addition is 8, right?
Addition 8.
If you open this, can you see? Result addition is 8. So we don't want this result, right?
Yes.
So what we need, whatever we are passing here, that we need to get it, right? So
Yes.
here number 1, number 2, we have 2, right? Number 1, number 2. So what we will do, we will store those values. Usually how to store values?
Variable.
Very good. So what do you mean by variable?
Is to store the values.
Very good. Variable is the name. It is going to use it to store some values. Perfect. So here we have set variable. Can you see? just drag this set variable here. Okay. So I have two values, right? I'm going to take two variables. Okay. So first variable, what is the name? Number one, right?
Number one.
Number one. So how I am passing, number one value? Here I am passing, right? Number one. Okay. If I pass this value, it should come here. We have some message structure. Okay. Attributes dot. So we are passing value through query parameter, right?
Parameter. Query params dot
Query params dot
number one.
number one. Okay. Similarly,
Number
Sir, we should give the same name number two. సేమ్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలా సార్? నెంబర్ 2 ఇవ్వాలా? సేమ్ అక్కడ ర్యామ్లో ఇచ్చినట్టు సేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఇక్కడ వేరేది ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఉండదు. ఓకేనా?
బట్ ఇన్ ద వాల్యూ సెక్షన్ వి షుడ్ గో సేమ్
కరెక్ట్. సో ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ సేమ్ యు హావ్ టు పాస్ ఇట్. ఓకే.
కంపల్సరీ వి షుడ్ రైట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్.
That is the message structure, guys. I'll show you. This I'll explain again in one class. So this is the message structure, guys, in MuleSoft. Can you see? Attributes. Okay. Attributes dot how we are going to send through query parameters, right? That's why I wrote query parameter. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Studio.
so here I stored number one, number two, right?
yes.
So now I'm going to delete this. Okay. So how to call these variables?
Where's
If you want to call this variable, we have to use where's keyword. Where's dot
number one
number one
plus number
plus
two. Number two.
Plus.
why plus? Because we are performing addition.
Addition, yes. Where's
Where's dot
number two.
Number
number
2.
two. That's it. Okay. Click on save. Now I'm going to run this project.
సార్ ఈ ఏరియాని ఎడిటర్ అంటారు ఏమన్నా అంటారు సార్? మనం సెట్
ఇవన్నీ చెప్తానండి మీకు.
ఓకే రైట్.
So this is package explorer. This is canvas.
Canvas ఓకే.
This is mule palette. This is console.
ఓకే.
See, whenever deploying your application first time, it may take some time. Mhm. So here we wrote business logic, okay? If you pass number 1 here, okay, it will come to this variable and it will store here. Okay. Similarly, if we are passing number 2 will come here and it will store. Here what we wrote, we are calling vars dot number 1. It will take this plus vars dot number.
Every time we should write logic in the output section.
Sorry.
Every time we should write logic in the output section. అంటే ఎడిషన్ లాజిక్ రాశారు కదా అది అవుట్పుట్ లోనే రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు.
Here only we need to write in the transform message. Okay. Okay. We are getting some memory issue. This will get only in the Mac. Okay. Okay. We have to increase like this. Yeah. Okay, now it is running. It will take 30 seconds. Okay, first time it will take some time. Next time onwards, it will execute properly.
But what was the problem, sir, that initially that you have
Sorry?
searched in the new? What
This
was the
memory
problem
issue.
initially?
Memory issue.
Okay.
So in Windows, you will not get like this. Okay.
Only for the month.
Earlier, my lab was, only 4 GB. I extended to 8 GB.
Okay.
Sir, is 8 GB enough to run?
8 GB is enough. If you have 16 GB, then pay it. See, our application got deployed. I cleared this console. Now I'll go here. And I'm going to see here. First, the moment I click on send, it will come to the listener. Okay. So in the listener configuration, we have to check it. What is the port number and all. 8081 is the port number and the protocol is HTTP. So what is my resource path? Slash addition, right?
Yeah.
Addition. And we need to pass some query parameters. Can you see I'm passing query parameter number 1, number 2. Okay. Now if I click on send, say I got 7. 3 plus 4, how much?
7.
30 plus 4.
34.
See, we got 34. Right?
Yes.
49, 79. See? We are getting actual output. How we are getting?
349.
340. Understood? So here we are getting the actual values. See? See 300 minus 490 minus 190. Correct, right? So like this, whatever you are giving, you will get it.
So first we design an API.
Yes.
And we get a URI from the mocking service, and you post it in the Postman, and you try
See, in
it.
the
And
document,
then,
I clearly mentioned, okay.
Mhm.
So what we need to do with this? So project naming conventions and all.
Mhm.
See, first what we will do, this is the API lifecycle wise.
Yeah.
First, what we'll do, we are going to create a RAML in the design center with the
Yeah.
API specifications. Specification is nothing but resource path, method, request, response, example, all these things. Okay. Then once this is done, what we will do, we have to review that, right? Post review from the business on the RAML. We have to publish that API to any point exchange. Already we sent to exchange so that other developers and client applications can check your API specifications before implementation and provide additional reviews. Okay. After that, what we need to do, we need to start our development. Okay. This is the life cycle of API development.
And before going to the developing in the Anypoint Studio, if there are any changes, we can do it easily. in the design center itself.
Yeah, we have to do it, right? Already I showed you one example, right?
Yeah,
Earlier we mentioned something called a message or something.
yeah,
So
yeah,
client, they told me that they want to change to result. Already we changed.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Once we got a review from them,
Mm-hmm.
then only we need to start our development.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
So until unless, without someone permission, your higher authority, you should not publish your API to Exchange. Okay.
so what if we, okay. So, but if there are any changes after we publish in the exchange,
Mhm.
what we gonna do?
Come again.
Sometimes after we published in the exchange,
Okay.
and if there are some more changes have occurred and you have to do it again, so what you gonna do? You gonna redesign the API or?
Again, you have to, incorporate that change. Again, you need to publish it.
Okay.
So initially we published with the what version? 1.0.0, right?
Yeah.
So now can you see this is the latest version 1.0.0.
Mm-hmm.
Again, let's say this is addition, right?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine this development is also done. Like after 2
Mhm.
days, he told me that I want to start with the subtraction as well.
Okay.
So now what I'll do, I'll copy paste this. I'm going to change this resource path as subtraction. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So message, what I will do, subtraction is some value. Okay. Now if I publish this API to Exchange, it
Mm-hmm.
will take 1.0.1 version.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
1.0.1. Now let me publish this version as well. So after publishing this API to Exchange, again your manager told me that, saying that, hey, I don't want to this latest version 1.0.1. Okay.
Mm.
I need only 1.0.0. Then how you are going to do this? Can you see here? If you go to summary, you could see addition and subtraction. This you cannot delete it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the latest version. So he told me that you need only this. You don't want to this after publishing.
Okay.
Then how can we do this?
Manage
We
version.
again.
Manage
We
version.
again.
Can you see manage versions will be there?
Yeah.
Here we have 1.0.1 is there, right? If you don't
Mhm.
want, try to delete this. See, if you delete it, automatically it will go from here as well. See, here you have only one. Okay.
To downgrade, you should compulsory delete the latest version.
If you don't want, we need to delete it. Understood?
To downgrade, అదే డౌన్గ్రేడ్ చేయాలంటే కంపల్సరీ డిలీట్ చేయాలా లేకపోతే అనదర్ వే ఉందా సార్? ఇస్ దేర్ అనదర్ వే?
See, if you don't want that completely, you have to delete it, right? Otherwise, we don't have any option.
ఓకే.
Got it?
Yeah.
Even if you delete here, it will be there. Can you see? This you know right anyway. You can remove it by your own. Clear?
సార్ ఇది మైనర్ వర్షన్ ఏ కండిషన్ లో చేంజ్ అవుతుంది సార్? ఇక్కడ మనం మైనర్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్యాచ్ వర్షన్ చేసాం కదా సార్. మైనర్ వర్షన్ ఏ కండిషన్ లో చేంజ్ అవుతుంది సార్? అట్లా
మైనర్ వర్షన్ అదే ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ట్రా మెథడ్స్ యాడ్ చేసి అట్లా
మెథడ్స్. ఓకే 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 మెథడ్స్. ఓకే.
దట్ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
So is this clear? Any questions?
క్లియర్ సార్. సార్ మెథడ్ మీన్స్ మనం ట్రైట్స్ ఇవి న్యూ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అవి క్రియేట్ చేస్తేనే సార్?
No, that is for, trait is advanced concept. By using the traits, what we can do, we can optimize our code.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So is this clear for everyone?
Clear, sir.
Everyone, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we will do it, our actual development. Okay. So like, so many openings are there, guys. Like yesterday I got one requirement. They are looking for almost, 20 developers. Can you see how many resumes I received? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
For
14,
freshers,
15, 16,
fresh
17, 18, 19. Huh?
for freshers है sir.
Not only freshers and experienced both. See, this project I'm trying to take it to my own. Okay, I spoke with one CEO in the US. Okay, he is supposed to get one project. If he will get that project, he will give it to me.
Okay, sir.
Then what I'll do, I can hire some resources and we'll start work on it. See, almost every people got certified. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Even what I will do, once you register, this course, within 10 days, you will become a Mulesoft certified developer. I can help you to get that certification free of cost. Usually, MCD level 1, certification cost $400. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In our Indian currency, almost it will be some 30,000 change.
32,000. Your age.
33 or 34 something. Okay. This you
Sir,
will get it free of cost, guys.
Sir, it has a 2 free attempt, no?
Sorry,
2 free attempt they provided, no?
your voice is bit low.
Sir, they provided 2 free attempt of exam.
2 attempts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they
3
will provide
attempt.
2 attempts.
Yeah.
So, but you don't require 2 attempts. Within 1 attempt, you can clear it. Why? Because I'm going to share you all the 60 questions and answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Within 1 week or 10 days, you can crack this exam and you will get the certification from the company itself, Mulesoft company. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, in the real time, how many lines of code we should write in the RAML? In real time, RAML like inlines ఉంటాయి sir. Real time.
See, that depends on the API, right?
Okay, sir.
If we have only one method, we have very less lines. If you have 10 resource path, code will be more, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why, see, for addition only, how many lines of code we wrote?
30.
30. Similarly, if you add subtraction, multiplication, division, it will come around 130, 140 lines, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right,
30
sir.
lines.
So we should not keep those many lines. If we have any reusability over there, we can optimize it. Okay. In the next session, I will explain you, okay, how to optimize this code and all.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will see that concept. Okay.
సార్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ గురించి చెప్తున్నారు మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయారు.
Yeah, certification I can help you guys. Within 10 days you can crack that certification as well. Okay.
సార్ ఓన్లీ ఎనీ పాయింట్ స్టూడియో ఒకటి సరిపోతుంది సార్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి.
Any point studio don't download right now. Okay,
Yeah.
first 6-7 days we will focus only with the design. After that I will explain you how to download, how to install all this. Okay.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah. So if possible, try to practice this. Okay.
Okay.
Did you guys create an account?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and practice
We
the
did.
same one. Okay. And Monday onwards, we will start our actual classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow also you can
Okay, sir.
attend, free class.
Okay.
Then you can
Okay.
decide if you like, you can continue this. And I can add you in the group as well, WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
People
Okay,
who
sir.
want to continue, you can register. I can add you in the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, what I will do, we will share, if you are facing any issues, errors, you can post over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet same time.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Okay.
much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.